my vlog and you're doing a vlog.
You want down in 6. You want to leave with a kiss. You said I'll probably send you some bits.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. Don't mind my bed because I'm washing my sheets, but I just got ready to go to the gym with Mama. I've been up since 8 a.m. and I've just been like cleaning and stuff. It's about noon right now, so we're finally about to go head to the gym with Rachel, and I want to show you guys my new outfit I got from Gymshark. I just ordered from Gymshark for the first time the other day, and I got 2 outfits, and I absolutely love them. I want to buy like their whole website. I got this like black set. It's just some long leggings, this little like crop top situation. So I love wearing cute clothes to the gym because it makes me feel like so motivated. But we're just about to head out and do that. It's such a cold, rainy day, guys. It feels like Ohio outside. I like don't want to leave the house.
Guys,
we are really hungry, so Mom and I are about to cook. And my poor mom, she's been asking me, like, I've been like working on my computer and stuff, and literally for like 2 hours now my mom is like,
since 3 o'clock, now it's at 7.
It's 5:58.
Yeah,
we're making food from HelloFresh. You guys know we love HelloFresh. 2019, everybody's New Year's resolution is pretty much to get fit and get healthy, so I love HelloFresh for that because they send you such healthy, delicious meals, so it'll help you reach your 2019 fitness goals. So what are you pushing me for?
Gloves.
Oh, you know my mom has to cook with gloves.
Yeah.
So this is the meal we're gonna be making. These are cheese crusted quesadillas, and these are vegetarian. There's no meat inside of it, but that's the great thing about HelloFresh. You can like mix it up. You could add chicken to this if you wanted, steak, whatever, but we're just gonna keep it as cheese. And then we also love how HelloFresh comes to us in these pre-packaged meal kits. So everything is in this bag that you're gonna need of, Mom, you're making noise in the bag. So it comes to you pre-measured out, pre-packaged, so you're not wasting food. Because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes we've been making recipes that require this like random ingredient, and then we go and buy the full-size bottle, and then we end up using like this much, and then it's in our cabinet for the rest of our lives. So I love how we just get everything that we need and no food goes to waste. So we have to broil it on high. So I just put the oven on high. So let's cut the pepper, Mom.
First,
so you cut the pepper. Yeah, we have to wash them. Then I'm gonna drain the corn and stuff.
Naz, come on. Have
Hold on.
scissors for what?
No, I swear I can open this without scissors.
No, not your teeth.
How much you want to bet? Ha!
Yeah, but you
I don't
open with
need
your tooth.
No, I didn't use my teeth for this. So you just cut this pepper in half and we roast them.
Really?
Yeah. Need to drain the corn. Mom, where's the green strainer?
This is here.
Oh, and that one is set to separate the whites and the green. We always use the bag as a trash can so we can keep our workstation clean. So now we just have a baking sheet with the poblano peppers and the corn. So first we're just gonna spray the corn. I mean, it says to use olive oil, but just to save some calories, we're gonna be using spray oil. And we have the oven broiling on high. We're on step 2 right now, so we're just gonna be tossing it with salt, pepper, and the Southwest spice that they provided in the package. So here's the Southwest seasoning. Half on this, half on that. Look at that. You missed a spot. I'm just joking. Then we'll continue from there.
The light on too?
Oh, the lamp?
On.
Oh, we turned it on? Okay, good.
Okay.
I'm gonna first make the little sauce in this bowl. So we're gonna first be grabbing our sour cream packets. Add a little bit of water to make this a runny consistency for the sauce. So now we're gonna be working on the salsa. We're first gonna throw in the tomatoes. Then we're gonna zest a lime. I just bought this zester the other day, so now it's coming in handy. And I'm gonna add some lime juice. I love lime juice, so I'm gonna put a lot of that in. Some salt and pepper. So they also added a little chili pepper. My mom is such a wuss when it comes to spicy food. Like she can barely even handle like black pepper. So I think I'm just gonna not put this in there just to be safe. But I am gonna add a sprinkle of low sodium tahini to the salsa just because tahini is life and it's so good. Just a little sprinkle. Gonna add the slightest drizzle of olive oil. Oh wow, that was a lot. I just took the onions, the corn, and the peppers out of the oven. They look so nice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat this. So now all we gotta do is let this cool down a bit, and then we're gonna be chopping up the peppers and the onions to make a filling, and then we're gonna add some lime juice, some lime zest, some cheese, and then we're gonna assemble our quesadilla. What is that one, Mom?
The onion?
Yeah, the
Green
scallion.
onion.
No, that's the scallion.
Is that scallion?
Yeah, the white scallion.
Wait, tell us the green onion.
Same, I know, but we separated the greens from the whites. So right now we have the peppers chopped up, we have the onions chopped up, then we're gonna add the corn, lime zest. You can probably hear Yas in the background because she just saw Nala.
Good?
I like lime, so put as much as your little heart desires, Mom. The limes look like they're bald. Now we're gonna add the corn. Corn is so good, guys, not gonna lie, I've just been like snacking on it. So yummy. Then we add salt and pepper. Put a lot of pepper, I like pepper.
No, spicy, not for you.
Mom,
No.
black pepper is not spicy.
Spicy.
No, it's not. First things first, we need to spray the tortillas. We'll just add oil. We're using spray oil. So we're separating this for 4 quesadillas. Mama always orders quesadillas when we go to Mexican restaurants. I always get like carne asada and she always gets shrimp quesadilla,
Is
huh?
enough for 2 more?
Yeah. Healthy lifestyle is about balance.
Good?
You put it in the oven for a few minutes on each side. So my mom and I kind of burned the last 2, so we kept a better eye on them and they turned out perfect. I mean,
but it is good.
and it's crispy, but you know, it had the little black edges, but this came out perfect. We're gonna cut these up, plate them, and we're gonna give you guys a little taste test. Oh my gosh, my mom and I went in on the presentation. I added a little bit of tahini for the looks. It's hot. We've been using HelloFresh for over a year now, huh? Like a year. And we've never once gotten a meal that we didn't like, guys. So I highly recommend you guys try out HelloFresh for yourselves. A lot of you guys have hit me up that you did try HelloFresh using my code, and all of you guys love it. So that makes me really happy that you guys love it just as much as I do. So take advantage of their 2019 offer and get a total of $80 off. So that's 8 free meals in your first month by using my code Nazanin80. I'll have it on the screen as well as down below. I didn't think I mentioned this, but they have 3 different plans. They have a family plan, a classic plan, and a veggie plan. I always get the classic plan because I do eat meat. But what's up, Kavari crew? So I have a bunch of events to go to today and they're all back to back, but I'm really happy they're all back to back and not overlapping, because it sucks when that happens because then you have to like kind of pick and choose which one you want to go to, and I want to go to all of them. So the first event we're going to is a brunch with Elf, and it's at Crustacean. It's a restaurant I really like here in Beverly Hills. Afterwards, we're going to an event with Benefit to launch their new roller eyeliner, and I just actually used the brown one on my eyes today and it turned out so good. I really love brown liquid liner because it's not as harsh as black. So we're gonna be doing that. Then the last event, oh yeah, it's with Buxom and it's with their new Shay Mitchell collab, so that's really exciting. That's the plan for today. Yasmin is picking me up with the Uber, and I will see you guys at our first event. we just got back from the ELF event and the food was so good, you guys. I've been to Crustacean like 3 times at this point and their food is like crazy good. But Yasmin and I both have headaches because we wanted to drive home real quick and like change for the benefit event, because like the ELF event was more like, I don't want to say sophisticated and classy, but you know, it was at like a really nice restaurant, and the benefit event is more like, it's at like the old like Johnny Rockets, so it's like a different vibe. So we wanted to like change our outfits because I was like way too overdressed for that type of venue. So we just came home real quick to change, and we took like the like canyon driving home, so it was like a very like nauseating ride. Like we're going through like all these hills, and I definitely need like a coffee and an Advil after that ride. Let me show you guys what I decided to wear. So much more comfortable in this than what I was wearing. So my whole fit is pretty much from Meshki. I have this little cropped fuzzy jacket from Meshki, and then my dress is also from Meshki, and I'm wearing my LV sneakers. So yeah, that's my fit. And my boy, he's outside right now because he has to use the bathroom. What? What? Oh, my little boy. Who is the most handsome Frenchie in the world? You? You? Before we head out, I need a little snack. Do you want a muscle milk? I have the coffee muscle milk.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go. I know, I need something because my head hurts. I love these dairy-free muscle milks, but I found these ones that are like lower calorie, lower fat, because this is the one I've been drinking. This Cozy's food, by the way. So this is the one I've been drinking pretty much every morning. I add 2 shots of espresso in here, like for breakfast, but I found this like lower calorie version, so I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it tastes just as good. I also want to show you guys these straws. So we all know that plastic straws are terrible for the environment, but I don't like the whole metal straws. Like I have the metal ones and I just really don't like them. I hate when they scratch against like cans, and my teeth like hurt just thinking about it. So I found these ones at Ralph's or Kroger or whatever, and they are made from avocado pits. So how cool is that? So I picked up a huge box of them so I can use my straw without hurting the environment, you know what I mean? So how do I do this? Oh no! Hey guys, so as y'all see, there was like a group of guys behind the door and they were being so obnoxious. I get it, just holla and leave, but they were being so annoying. They were making fun of the way I was posing. They like, in the next clip you're gonna see, they like flipped me off. I was just really confused on this whole situation, but I mean, I get it. It's on Melrose, it's on a busy street, but there was a security guard in front of the door. Like if you go to the earlier clips, the guy in the sunglasses, he's the security guard, and I'm like, what kind of security is this? Why aren't you telling them to leave? So they literally just stood there for so long, just like harassing the girls in there, and then finally the girls from Benefit saw it and then they handled it. But I'm like, what type of security guard is that? Like he literally did nothing to tell them to leave, and it was really annoying. Anyways, let's continue the video. My vlog, and you're doing a
You want to down in 6. You want to leave with a kiss. You said I'll probably send you some bits.
Oh my god. Okay, we made it to the house. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, the venue is like at the bottom of a hill, so they took us down with the golf cart. Wow, guys, look how dope this house is.
I don't know who's like.